Hey everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you 15 kids songs for beginner guitarists. Now what makes these particular songs great for beginners is that they stay within the boundaries of the 18 chords and 3 strum patterns that I teach in my beginner course and that you can get in my free 3-step guide by clicking right up there. These 18 chord variations are a lot easier to play than their traditional variations, and there are no bar chords, so that's a plus. They're broken up into 3 chord families of 6 chords each, and so each one of the 15 songs that I'm about to show you uses one of these 3 chord families. And each song also uses one of the very simple strum patterns that I teach as well. These strum patterns are super basic and easy to pick up and learn. So with these small handful of chords and strum patterns, you'll be able to play a lot of songs for the kids in your life. So let's go ahead now and play through the songs.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Mama shark, mama shark, mama shark, mama shark. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Tale as old as time, true as it can be, barely even friends. Then somebody bends unexpectedly. Just a little change, small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast. There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of the rolling world can't be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. Happy birthday to you. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I've been standing at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I take, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. No one knows how far it goes. I'll be a mighty king, so enemies beware. I've never seen a king of beasts with quite so little hair. I'm gonna be the main event, like no king was before. Brushing up on looking down, I'm working on my role. Thus far a rather uninspiring thing. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Now I'm here, blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's oh so clear, I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't fear, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently up the creek. If you see a little mouse, don't forget to squeak. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat safely to the shore. If you see a tiger there, don't forget to roar. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Driver on the bus says, watch your step, watch your step, watch your step. Driver on the bus says, watch your step, all through the town. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like the diamonds in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that list of kids songs. If you would like to see a full tutorial for each one of these, you can find the link for each one of the songs in the description down below. You can also get all of these chord charts as a collection for 20% off by clicking up there in the information card. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.